Jupiter sure has some things to answer for.
Hey, Europa! Can we stay close to you? You know, in case there are asteroids nearby?
Sure, Proteus. Wait, did you say we?
She said yes, guys!
The little ones really do love you, huh?
Well, being the smallest of the Galilean moons made it easy for me to connect to them.
I guess even during the moon revolution, you were kind of fighting for something. I was trying to impress everyone and be seen as the biggest and the coolest. But you did it for the little moons, right? Those nobody cared about? Not even me?
Ganymede.
No, it's fine. I'm just realizing how similar I've been to the planets all along.
I see him! I see Jupiter!
Jupiter!
We miss you! Wait! I see him! Jupiter!